Welcome all to the Max lecture series. In our today class, we are going to learn something new. So before looking into the solution for this question, if you are really understanding whatever the content that I am delivering so far, don't forget to click that like button and also share it with all your friends. So let us look into the solution for this function. The given function is the value of the following definite integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi sine 2x by 1 plus cos x into dx equal to dash. So just by looking into this question, you might be thinking that, sir, what is this, sir? We are not having any standard formula here. Like if you are having simply sine theta, you can derive. If you are having simply cos theta, we can find the integration. But whereas here, we can't use the standard formula. So this trigonometric function is little difficult one. We can't directly express the integrated value for this. So my suggestion is, whenever trigonometric function, this kind of sin theta, cos theta, some blah blah things will be given in both numerator and denominator, and you are also feeling that it is not quite enough to solve directly, it might be little difficult. Whenever you are observing the trigonometric function like this, what you have to do is, instead of solving the question, try to observe whether the given function is even function or not, because most of the time in the examination what people will do is they will be giving you some difficult trigonometric expression which cannot be directly resolved, but behind of that what they will put is they will bring the identification like the properties of even and odd function. Most of the time they will be giving you odd function in order to directly pick the answer, such that within the given time you can easily solve the question. Sir, what you are trying to say? See this trigonometric function cannot be resolved, of course, but I said it can be under even and odd function because I understood that it cannot be directly solved. It may take some time. Sir, what is even, what is odd function? That is very simple. You have to cross check whenever a function is given to you. Suppose let us take a function f of x is given is cos x, and you are requested to check whether this function is even or odd. What you have to do is take the function directly, replace x by minus x. If I am replacing x by minus x, then it will become cos of minus x. Tell me what is the value of cos minus x. Cos minus x equal to cos x only. So the conclusion is the value of f of x and the value of f of minus x are equal, then that function is simply called even function. In the same fashion, the another example, suppose if I am taking f of x equal to sin x. Repeat the same procedure. While replacing x by minus x, what you will be getting? So here, if I am replacing x by minus x, then it will become sin of minus x. Sin of minus theta will be minus sin theta, so this can be written as minus sin x. It clearly indicates that the value of f of minus x equal to minus of, see there, what is sin x? Sin x equal to f of x, so that can be replaced by f of x. So if f of minus x equal to minus f of x, or we can write f of x equal to minus f of minus x. Both are same. You can also pass this minus to the left hand side. So if you are observing this kind of relation, then that function is called an odd function. That's all. That is the basic difference between odd function and a even function. Okay, sir. Now we've understood the difference between even and odd function. How can we apply this into integration? Now let me define the next part. Suppose if you are observing that there is a function is given and its limit is minus a2 plus a, they will be giving like this, f of x into dx. If your function is given like this and you have to cross check. You understood that while cross checking the properties of f of x, like that you have to check, replace x by f of minus x. First take that f of x function outside. They will be giving you some certain function here. Take it out, replace x by minus x, cross check whether it is even or odd. If it is even function, then this limit can be further written as 2 times of, you can simply take 0 to a and you can proceed further, f of x into dx. Now you can complete the limit. Further you have to proceed with the integration. Suppose during the same procedure, when the moment you are cross checking from minus a to plus a, the value of f of x into dx will become an odd function. When it is producing odd function, then directly you can write your answer is 0. So integration of an odd function is always equal to 0. Integration of even function can be written in this format. I hope now you understand the difference between even function and a odd function. That's all. It is over. Come back to the question now. This is the question now. Now, how to check whether this function is even function or odd function? It is very simple. Take the f of x outside. Limit you can observe. See there, minus a to plus a, that is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Always remember, your limit also will be given in this kind of even format, like minus a to plus a, minus 1 to plus 1, minus 5 to plus 5, like that they will be defining it. Don't be bothered. Let us cross check whether it is even function or odd function. F of x is clearly defined as sin 2x upon 1 plus cos x. Now, if I am replacing x by minus x, let's see what will happen. Then this will become sin 2 times of minus x, of course that is minus 2x only, divided by 1 plus cos of minus x. Tell me what will happen. Sin minus 2x, we can say, you can also consider this 2 inside because that is constant. Anyway, just now we have been observed that sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. This can be written as minus sin of 2 times of x upon 1 plus cos of minus theta equal to cos theta only. So, this can be again written as cos x. Now, if you carefully observe this, minus of sin 2x by 1 plus cos x, sin 2x by 1 plus cos x can be replaced by f of x. So, what is the conclusion? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. It means what? When f of minus x equal to minus f of x, then that function is defined as odd function. In case of integration, whenever you are observing that the function is producing or reflecting the properties of an odd function, then the resultant answer is going to be 0. So, the correct answer for this question is 0. See how beautifully we have been resolved this question. So, don't forget, whenever kind of trigonometric function will be given to you, just once cross check whether it is an even function or odd function, such that you can easily resolve the question without doing it or without thinking further. This is all for this lecture. Remaining things you will see in the next class. Thank you all.